Hi! In front of me is Motorola Edge 30 Neo, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. You need to begin by opening device's settings. After that, click on Connected Devices. Then you need to select Connection Preferences and tap on Printing section. Now you can click on Default Print Service right away or choose Add Service and install the best one for you. I will go with HP one. Then click on the back button twice. Now click on one of your services and tap on this switcher if it's not already on. Your device is now searching for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it right away. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!